Kenzie. Come on. Come on. Is that your passy? Okay. Well, now that you rolled, what are you going to do now? What's your next step? What's your next step, Mackenzie? You try to roll over? Come get your passy. Come on. Come on, girlfriend, you can do it. What are you doing? Are you doing the plank? Yay!